I want to say thank you for watching my channel. I want to say thank you for all of the love. I want to say thank you for being there when I need you most. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I want to say thank you for.
Hey y'all, so we went to the mall, did not record it. Don't hurt me. I'm sorry. But now we're at Plato's Closet. I didn't go in. I'm waiting for her because I didn't feel like going in. And I'm just chilling. Her dad said he got her a rental car for the rest of the month. So she got to go pick that up. Well, I got to take her to go meet her dad to pick it up. And she has a birthday dinner with her friends today. So she'll be doing that. Hope y'all can see me. The sun is beaming. It's 46 degrees here in Detroit, Michigan. So yeah. But I didn't want nothing. I just wanted to check in and say hey. That smells so good, y'all. I got on Gucci Flora Intense, and then I have on Initio Ooh for Greatness. And when I say all the guys that's walked past me in the mall, it's like, she smells good. I heard them say it. I love those compliments. Keep them coming, baby. Keep them coming. I love the compliments. You heard me. But yeah, ladies, make sure you get your fragrances so you can smell good all year long. I always do. I stock up. Oh, and let me put y'all on. Burlington now carries Dossier. I saw it. I saw it in there. I forgot which one it was, but the box said $29.99 Dossier. It was in the original Dossier box, and I forgot which fragrance it was. I know it was one that I wanted to get, but I wasn't in there to buy those yet. I was doing something else, but yeah, I saw Dossier in there. Yep. And yes, I still have my hair up in this scarf, taking it back to the 90s when we used to wear our head scarves, and the late 80s. I'm sorry, I got the hiccups. I had some pretzel bites from the pretzel peddler. But yeah. Ooh, sorry y'all, I'm gonna let y'all go because obviously I need something to drink. So I'll call y'all back. Peace. So today is February the 12th. It is 7:06 p.m. and I just came back from a women's wellness gathering. It was quite fun. It was me and my mom. I didn't stay the whole 4 hours. I only stayed an hour. So, let's see. Sorry, this is all bent up. I had to fit it in there. Hand and stone, spa, massage, and facial body. Valentine's Day, blah, blah, blah. Scan the QR code if you want to go to Bar, Pure Bar. That's what that is, a workout place. Alleviate Acupuncture Wellness Clinic. They put a thing on my ear for up to 5 days. It's supposed to take away stress, anxiety, insomnia, pain, all that stuff. And They gave us the Chinese New Year thing. And this little bracelet. And then this I got from the spa place, the Hand and Stone, $10 off introductory 1-hour massage or facial. Pure Bar. They gave me some Clarity Better with Age Renewing Vacuole Serum. I hope I said that right. Visibly fades wrinkles and restores elasticity. And then they gave me a bottle cap closer for your wine. Then another lady from another table gave me this Heritage Store Rose Water Refreshing Facial Mist. She did it on my hand and my mother's hand. You see how shiny it is? It's real soft. If y'all could feel me right now, it's real soft. It was some other things that she put on there too, not just that. That was the end of it. It's like a lotion and all of that. And then a couple Hershey Kisses. All right, so that's one bag. Let's put this stuff back in there because I don't want my table junky. Can't stand that. So then I can get all this off of here. Get up. All right, so that's one bag. Now this bag. This bag is because when I walked in, he asked me my information. Did you sign up? I said, yes, I did. And he was like, I found your information. Boom. Here's a gift for you. So, Coming Up Roses. What is this? Exfoliating mask, rose and bamboo. That's what they gave me. This. Supposed to be a gift, y'all. So, I'm happy. So, here's the top of it. Okay. And then here's the other one. Critical Extracts with Gin. And this is Set the Tone Mist Toner. Okay. 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 So I got that. It's a whole bag full of stuff, y'all. Come out. Bring them out. Bring them out. Come on out. I don't even like him, but it just seemed like the right thing to sing at that time. Then this is Kylic Aged Garlic Extract Immune Support. I'm not a big garlic fan, so aged garlic extract. I don't know about that. And then this one is Ashwagandha, the Eutherium plus GABA. What is GABA? Helps reduce stress and memory support. Okay. Okay. Like a goodie bag full of stuff. Oh, dental probiotics. Natural berry flavor. 6 chewable. Okay, okay. We like that. I'm all about the hygiene, honey. All over the body. Mouth, everywhere. I'm all about it. Dopamine, brain food, morning support for mental drive. 3 vegan capsules. Oh, yeah. You know, we be groggy in the morning. Groggy in the morning. What is this? Another organic ashwagandha releases stress and boosts energy. Rejuvenates adrenal function. I like that. Himalaya. From the Himalaya. What's this? This is Kylie White. Now Solutions Refreshment Toothpaste Gel. Fluoride free, SLS free, gluten free, paraben free, reduces plaque, whitens, and fresh taste. We love that. We love that. Yes, honey. Anything else in this bag? No. And then this is collagen jelly, beauty complex with Verisol I can't talk. Bioactive collagen peptides. By now, we have something else in here from now too. Okay, I love this for me. I got all these goodies. All these goodies. I love that. And they have some good food. It was real nice. Real nice. I'm going to try these things and I'll let you know what works. On to the next. Hi, everyone. Hey, hey, hey. Today is the day before Valentine's Day. And I have a birthday gathering to go to. It's my extended sister. We all grew up together. She's 5 years older than me. Her sister and I are best friends. Her sister is a year under me. My older brother and her are the same age. So they grew up together, and me and her sister grew up together. So we call them extended sisters, extended brothers. You get it? Okay. So anyway, long story short, yes, I threw on a unit because I didn't have time to do my hair. So these come in handy, baby. You ain't got to go outside looking crazy. Just get you one good one. Take care of it. Rotate it. Do what you got to do. So, yeah, I'm getting ready to go. I got to go pick up my mom. Sorry, I didn't decide to do this until last minute. I'm like, oh, I could have been recording the whole get together, get myself ready. So sorry, I forgot. We got to be there at 5. It's already a little after 4. I got to stop at the ATM and get some cash. I don't know. This is a cream brown color that I got from the beauty supply for like $2. And I like it. And the color in the middle is, what did I do with it? This is the liquid eyeshadow that I have on my eyes. If you can read it, I'm not sure. And this is what I have on my lips. It's by Wet n Wild. It's a multi-stick, so you can use it as an eyeshadow, a lip liner, whatever you like. That's this. Ooh, my hands are ashy. And I lost some stones. And I didn't put lashes on. I just put some of this on today. Okay. And my makeup is Color Stay by, who is this? Maybelline. Color Stay. That's my number. That's what I put on. And I'm starting to sweat a little bit. I don't. And that's the lip combo for today with this blondish color ombre hairstyle. I don't like that you can see the knots in here, but whatever. You know it's not my hair anyway. My hair is long too. Y'all know that. My hair long just like this. But it's not this color. Alright, oh, I need perfume. Hold on. Okay, so I have Marc Jacobs Daisy. so good. All right, let's get out of here before I start to sweat. Car's already started. Let me take y'all out there so you can see what I got on, okay? There we go. It's a little dark. Can you see me? Can you see me now? Can you see me now? Can you see me now? All right, so this sweater I got from Walmart some years ago. Okay. And let me get back. I got on some cargo jeans. I am going to be carrying my Coach bag tonight. All the things. Zip it up. Alright, so carrying this Coach bag. Remember I got this for my birthday? I'm a Coach girl. I like designer. I grew up on designer, so I like designer, okay? Sue me. No, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Because then you're going to piss me off. You're going to piss me off, okay? Don't do that. All right. Well, I got to get ready to go. I don't know what coat I'm wearing and shoes. I think the shoes I'm going to wear... I think I'm gonna wear some boot heels. Hold on. I think I'm gonna wear these. That'd be cute with cargo pants, right? Yeah. I'm coming. Okay. All right. I got my purse. I'm gonna grab my coat and I'm gonna leave because I don't want to be late. We got to be able to sit at the table at 5:15. She wants us there at 5. I'm going to get there at 5 because I've never been to the place. It's a hibachi place and I'm hungry. I have not eaten. Well, I did. I'm lying. I ate earlier. I had a Southwestern burrito, vegan burrito, no meat, vegan meat. But anyway, I'm gonna get ready and go, and I'll see you guys later. Hey, lovely people, I made it to the car. Now we must drive to pick up my mom, and then off to the destination. Oh no, I have to go to the ATM first, then I have to go pick up my mother, and then we can head off to the destination. And it is 41 degrees outside, and yes, I have the heat on, even though it is not freezing here in Michigan, but I'm not stupid either. Been here my whole life, so we're not gonna play those games. But just one little piece of hair. Well, you guys, I will check back in with you when I get to my first destination because I have to get the money in order to pay for the food. Love you guys. Peace. Cheers.
It's country. She do not claim her middle name.
No, I heard it. I thought you was about to say Lulu or something. Louise.
It's Lavette. Tamika call me Love It because of the way it's spelled.
It's L-O.
Natasha Lavette. With an N.
No wonder, because your mom.
They don't stay on. They turn off.
She like, what am I supposed
Hey, I'm home. It is after 9 p.m. Sorry it's dark. After 9 p.m. and I'm home. Put my keys in my pocket and take my shoes off. Whew. Had a good time until the fight broke out. Had a good time until somebody ran into my car before I even got to the place. So happy to be home. Brought back some food. Amazon mail. Tiramisu. And some hibachi. On the floor, check my tiramisu out. Oh, it's still pretty good. Let's put it in the freezer. I mean, refrigerator. What? Hey y'all. Good morning. It's 11:52 a.m. It's Valentine's Day! And I am eating my tiramisu from last night's festivities. And my daughter left all her crap. Come on, what's going on? Sorry, y'all. This camera is acting up. Okay. I'll come back to y'all later because I'm getting angry. Hey, I'm at work. I just realized that the end of the video has not came yet. So I went out to eat birthday dinner. I think that's where it left off. Or me eating the cake from the night before, tiramisu. So now I am on my way to, what am I doing? Oh, I'm going out with the girls, Cigar bar. Okay, going to the cigar bar with my girls. And I'm gonna look fabulous. I'm not gonna look like this. I'm at work right now. But we're going to the cigar bar, first time virgin. And we're gonna have a ball. It's gonna be me, my two best friends, and my cousin. So yeah, we're on our way to cigar bar, and this Sunday is All-Star weekend. So yeah, that's what we're doing. We're going there, and we're gonna have some fun. Sorry I look a total mess today, but I don't care. I know I clean up really good when I want to, and you will see it in the next slide as you saw in the previous. Peace. Hey y'all. Today is Sunday the 15th, and I'm about to go out with my girls. We're going to the cigar bar. This is our Galentine's. Had to stop at the ATM and get some mucho dinero so I can fly high. You dig? So, let's go meet up with the girls and have a little Galentine's fun, because we all was busy yesterday. Well, I was actually relaxing, recuperating from the other night. But, yeah. Let me put this money up. Park and put this money up because I want to drive with it in my lap. But yeah, your girl is pretty cute. I got a one piece on with some red boots. You know how your girl do it. And some glasses from my website, Saucy Boutique LLC, baby. Check her out. And then the usual suspects, the jewelry, the ooh la la. All right, y'all. See you when I get there.
Say bad now.
Okay, I know. Oh my God, why is that? Why are they doing that? And that's what they Hey. Hey. There you go. Yeah, they jacking this stuff. You taste it?
Yeah.
I like it.
The cherry.
Swisher? Yeah. Yeah.